So we just left the metal supermarkets.
Yeah.
And this is what we gotta do to fit the metal. Oh, sorry. To fit the metal. This is the situation we're in. See that? Got my own firewall. Got some metal. More of it's gonna be delivered next week. But check this out. This is what they put me through to build their shit. Okay? Check this out. Oh, firewall. Look at my little feet, guys. Look at this. No front seat. Damn near no back seat. My little feet. The invoice. More metal. More projects. More problems. Scratching up the man's tent. Sorry, sir. But it's a beautiful day.
Alright, so as you can see, what we have here today is we're trying to break the ignition so we can turn the steering wheel.
Because the dumbass lost his keys.
He lost the keys, and instead of putting a screwdriver in the ignition like I said to break it, he just wanted to be bam bam. So that's what we have going on over here. And over here on this side, we have Mr. Maya taking off the seat bracket on this beautiful seat.
Deep socket 13?
Deep socket 13?
13. I need 13, sir.
13? Let's see if we can find it. What's up, buddy?
You name it. Alright, so got some of the grinding done. It's not done. Still gonna have to stitch weld it in some of the areas where the stitch welding kind of came apart from the grinding, but it's looking pretty good. Still have to fill all this in. Have a ton of body work. Just doing little odds and ends kind of things. He looks like he's online shopping. He's pretty much, what are you doing? You stripping out all the electrical and what?
Electrical and taking the fuel distributor off and everything else that I'm not going to need for when we build the motor.
So pretty much all electrical, all the old mechanical fuel crap, and looks like the headlights are coming off.
Yeah, because I'm getting projector headlights.
Ooh, projector headlights. Okay.
Kind of new school.
New school.
Old school.
New school, old school, whatever.
You know.
We're just doing a little random stuff. Chill day. Nothing crazy.
You need the...
The hell is that?
You know what it is.
You know, you name it. Yeah, bro. Put it on the trunk. So,
take a picture.
Does this make any damn sense? But that's not your throttle body. That one is. How the hell?
You see all that? Blow by. Pistons are messed up.
Ooh.
That's all oil.
It's time for a rebuild. Damn.
That's oil.
Yeah, it's time for a rebuild. That's bad.
You want to take a photo for me real quick? Alright.
Nothing crazy going on today. It's a hella chill day. A lot of loose end stuff.